5 websites to make money before you monetize as a YouTuber. Growing a YouTube channel to monetization can take time, especially since you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 shorts views. However, you don't have to wait to start earning. Here are 5 websites that can help you make money before YouTube monetization. 1. Patreon Patreon.com. How it works: Patreon allows creators to set up a membership program where fans can support them with monthly subscriptions in exchange for exclusive content, shoutouts, or behind-the-scenes access. How to use Patreon as a YouTuber. Create a Patreon account and set up different membership tiers with perks. Offer exclusive content, such as early access to videos or private Q&A sessions. Promote your Patreon link in your video descriptions and pinned comments. Encourage fans to join by explaining the benefits in your videos. 2. Ko-fi.com. How it works: Ko-fi allows fans to send one-time donations or recurring support to creators. Unlike Patreon, it doesn't require a monthly subscription. How to use Ko-fi as a YouTuber. Sign up for a free Ko-fi account and personalize your donation page. Add your Ko-fi link to your YouTube bio, video descriptions, and pinned comments. Create exclusive content or digital products, ebooks, templates, and sell them on Ko-fi. Offer incentives, like a special thank you video for supporters. 3. Fiverr.com. How it works: Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can offer services such as video editing, voiceovers, script writing, and graphic design. How to use Fiverr as a YouTuber. Create a Fiverr profile and list gigs based on your skills, for example. YouTube thumbnails, video editing, SEO optimization. Promote your services in your YouTube videos and social media. Deliver high-quality work and build good reviews to attract more clients. Use Fiverr earnings to improve your channel, better equipment, ads, etc. 4. Selfie.com. How it works: Selfie is an e-commerce platform that allows creators to sell digital and physical products, including ebooks, merch, and presets. How to use Selfie as a YouTuber. Sign up and create a Selfie store. Upload digital products like YouTube templates, LUTs, color grading presets, or ebooks. Add the store link to your video descriptions and social media. Promote your products in your videos, explaining how they benefit your audience. 5. Affiliate marketing. Amazon Associates, Impact, CJ Affiliate, etc. How it works: you promote products using special affiliate links, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. How to use affiliate marketing as a YouTuber. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Amazon Associates, Share Sale, Impact, etc. Find relevant products, for example, camera gear, software, books, and get your unique affiliate links. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions and verbally mention them.